Good night. My name is Juliana Quintero. I will teach you about the tropical food of New Zealand. Who get hungry? Fish and chips, colonial goose, lamington, pavlova, hockey and cockey, Afghan and quicks, biscuits, Anzac cookies, hangi maori, white fritter, the cheeses, the lamb, the potato, the wines. Thank you.